All right, guys, this is another video, short video. I'll keep you guys updated on Hurricane Michael. Hurricane Michael, as we speak, is about 50 miles from shore near Panama City. So roughly in a couple of, I would say probably another, probably a few hours, it's gonna be making landfall, probably 3-4 hours. Right now, it's moving at 14 miles per hour, so it has picked up a little bit of speed. And the most incredible thing is, it is a very strong Category 4 hurricane. It has winds of 150 miles per hour, and it has a pressure of 923 millibars, and it's moving north. Now, if you guys have been watching the weather for some time, in general, you know, hurricane storms and just weather in general, you're gonna notice that pressure, it is extremely dangerous. It's very, very low. And just to give you guys a few pointers or a few interesting facts, Hurricane Michael will be the very first hurricane in history in the month of October to have such a low pressure, and also to make landfall that strong in the month of October. The area where it's gonna make landfall, they have not seen a storm that strong in many, many, many years. The last hurricane was, I believe it was Ivan in 2005, and still Ivan was not even a comparison to what Michael is. Now, the governor was on TV early in the morning. He was basically speaking to everyone. There was mandatory evacuations. There was a lot of people who did not evacuate. And he told them, he basically said it straight up, you guys are, you know, there's no time to leave right now. It's time to hunker down. It's time to prepare and wait for the impacts, basically. You know, and a lot of people, I've heard a lot of comments saying, well, this hurricane got everybody by surprise, this and that. And it is somewhat true. Somewhat true in the sense of, yes, no one predicted it that this hurricane was going to get this strong. I've been watching following the models, computer models, forecast models for days. And the strongest that the models basically said, it was like 950 millibars, which is like a Category 2, maybe Category 3. That's about it, you know. But that tells you weather's unpredictable. That's why you have to prepare. And I was actually hearing in the radio today, there was some people calling into the local radio station here, and they were saying that some of their family members did not evacuate because it caught them off guard, in the sense of, you know, in the past 2 nights, it went from like a Category 1 or 2 hurricane into a monster Category 4. So it did double the intensity within a matter of, you know, within a matter of a couple days. So that's what they mean, that it caught, you know, it did catch them off guard, because we know about hurricanes days and days and days in advance. So there's no excuse if you decided to stay behind and now say that you were caught off guard, because you were not. Since yesterday morning, local officials have been issuing mandatory evacuations. As a matter of fact, I have a friend in the Destin area, which is not too far west from Panama City, and she has a condominium there. And basically what ended up happening is, since yesterday morning, they basically issued that evacuation order, and everybody in the whole building has to get out. And they evacuated the whole building. So that's something that started yesterday morning, and it shouldn't have caught anybody off guard. But anyways, it is a very dangerous situation. It is a very strong hurricane. It has 150 mile per hour winds. And there's a high probability that it will become a Category 5. Now remember, 150 now, within the next hour or two, it could easily be 157 miles per hour, which is a Category 5. I have no doubt in my mind that this hurricane will be a Category 5 when it makes landfall. Now, Category 5s making landfall in the United States are extremely rare. In recorded history, there might be maybe a handful of them that have made landfall as a Category 5. The last one was actually Hurricane Andrew in '92 when it made landfall as a Category 5. Now, Andrew had 926 millibars as far as the pressure. Michael right now has 923. And this is information for almost about an hour ago. Most likely, as we speak, this hurricane has lower than that. I wouldn't imagine. 920 is officially a Category 5 hurricane. So I wouldn't be surprised if by within the next hour, this Michael will be a Category 5. So if you guys are listening to this video, watching to this video, please stay safe. If there's no time to leave now. So basically just hunker down, stay in your house, go to the most interior room, bring mattresses if possible, just in case anything happens, anything breaks, the roof caves in. I mean, it's a possibility. This is a catastrophic event. It's a catastrophic hurricane. So basically, stay prepared, trying to be as safe as possible, and hope everybody's okay. But I will keep you updated later today. This is all I got for you guys now. Take care.